So palava insecurity. Mo comment for that side for Sang Malima, for Zomeyong, who come for ya for Douala, for that side for some quarter where they call it say Dakar. For Dakar, for Douala, yesterday evening, I'm saying Saturday evening, which he pass now around the commissariat for Witiem, where some man they chuki 3 people and they chuki so they die because they want him now wait he telephone for sika telephone sika telephone matter as I talk the matter so it don't pass me. They kill some man for sika telephone for Dakar. Them say they want to take the telephone, they chuki, they kill her.